In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in KBC Group Online. Go to Google and search for KBC Group Online login and then click on the first result here. You see this first result. After that, you will see this page. From this page, click sign in option. So after click on sign in, just await, click on KBC, this option here. And then guys, click choose any country here, for example, Netherlands, and click this one. If I go back, choose English here. From English, click next, and then choose if you don't have a card, choose I don't have a card, and then you enter your card details, search your card numbers, and insert your bank card details, and then enter your login codes. After that, click login. Just follow these simple easy steps. Write your card number on this option, and then write your save. After that, enter your login codes. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I will describe them for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon.